Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. It is unboxing time. So today we are going to be unboxing one of the Precuts quilt shop boxes. This one is actually the Modern Stash Builder. I also have their classic box here, and I will do that in the next video so you can see what's in that one as well. I will also put links for how you can get this box in my description box below, so just click the show more link down there and there will be a link to their website with all the information that you need. These boxes are $55 a month with free shipping. This one is, like I said, their Modern Stash Builder, and if you feel like you already have enough notions, this box might actually be the one for you. This one's full of fun fabric. I think it averages around 4 yards of fabric in here and a pattern, so you kind of are skipping all the notions. So if that's you, this might be for you. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the box always comes with a little info sheet in here that gives you usually a coupon code, information about what's in your box, information on the fabric, and all of that kind of stuff. This month's box actually has Maureen Cracknell is the fabric designer. It has a little bit of information in her. And then the pattern was designed by Moira de Carvalho. And so there's just some information on the designers. There's also a little list of what's in the box. And one of the cool things about this box is it gives you the contents value as well, which I will be going over with you. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here is the pattern. It's called Road to Jarbo, and it looks like it's available in two sizes, 48 by 60 and 96 by 108. And then of course they have all of the fabric info on the back of the pattern. And this pattern is really nice, colorful. This pattern does have some diagonal lines happening in it, so I don't know if it's completely beginner friendly, but looking through it, it doesn't look like it's super difficult either. So if you're up for a little bit of a challenge working on bias seams and things like that, then I definitely think this pattern is doable. It looks like it's fairly easy to put together, and you're making a bunch of the same blocks, so I think once you kind of get it, you get it. So, all right, so that's that. All right, the next thing in our box here is some nice thread, and of course this coordinates with our box pattern and fabric. So I always love getting thread. I add it up here to my thread wall, and I'm getting a nice rainbow of thread so that whenever I need a color, hopefully I can find it up there. So also in this month's box, the next thing in our box are a couple of cute little candies, and I've got to admit that I had to definitely stop myself from eating these because as soon as I opened it, I was like, yeah, and it happened to be one of those days where I really was wanting some chocolate. So anyways, I did save them so I could show you what came in my box, but cute little fun candies in here. Time to get to the fabric. Bam! Fabric, guys. I told you there was a lot of fabric in this Stash Builder box, and I was not kidding. So we will go over these. This fabric line is called Sunkissed by Maureen Cracknell for Art Gallery, and there are 16 fat quarters in here. So let's just go through them all. Pretty yellow floral. This one's like got some fun sun prints. We've got a kind of greenish teal-y color. Super pretty floral in mustard. Similar to the teal one we just saw, just a different theme. It's pretty kind of, it's not orange, guys. It looks orange on my camera, but it's more of a mix between coral. It's kind of like a coral color, yeah. Then there's this fun little Hawaiian-y kind of looking print. Some classic dots. Another cute floral, and as I'm going through these, I'm thinking that they would make really cute squishy bags. If you have not seen my squishy bag tutorial, I will link it below for you, but these are the perfect size to make some of those bags, and these would be really fun, colorful bags. Super bright, fun yellow print here. This one's a little out of my wheelhouse, but definitely colorful. Same with this one. This one reminds me of the actual pattern. Kind of cool. And this dark blue floral. All right, so here we are again, you guys. That is 16 fat quarters. When I said this was a Stash Builder box, I was not lying. This is probably the most fabric that I have seen in any box. And I kind of like that you have the choice between getting the notions plus some fabric or the pattern and fabric boxes, because you know, sometimes you get enough of those notions and you're kind of over them a little bit, and this is a great way to get exposed to some new fabric lines that you might not have heard of, and also build your stash at the same time. And I mean, they're so pretty and they're super colorful, you guys. This is a beautiful bundle of fabric. Okay. And then it says in here for value, we've got, let's see, the pattern was $10.99. The thread was retailing at $3.10, and then the fat quarters were $3.50 each. And then in their box contents list, they also include the shipping cost, so you know how much it costs them to ship the box to you. So that was $10.80. The box was about 2 pounds, so the total value of the box was $80.89. So even if you don't want to include the shipping cost in the value of the box, it's still a $70 box, which is still a really good price, and you get a huge variety like I just showed you of fabric. All right guys, so here's what came in the 2019 February Precuts quilt box, the Stash Builder box. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. I love doing unboxings so that you guys can kind of see what you're going to get in these boxes before you buy them yourselves. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.